Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again, and this is my third video in this quarantine. In this quarantine, I'm feeling like I'm really more productive towards my video. But yeah, my name is Akanksha and I do fashion, beauty and lifestyle for people who are new here. And today's video is going to be about hair. So definitely you can see how champu my hair is looking. Actually, I have put a lot of olive oil on this last night and I did not wash it. I thought I'll just keep it over a day, which is not very good. You should always keep your oil overnight. I was thinking that, you know, whenever we apply oil, we always avoid going out. Don't you do the same? Because when I'm having oil on my hair, I feel very shy to go out. I feel like, no, I will stay home or I have to wash my hair. And I thought why we should be shy of our own self and why we cannot be comfortable in our own skin with our own hair. So we should be thankful, and that's what I'm thinking this whole quarantine time, how grateful we should be. So yeah, this video is all about to make yourself look pretty and feel the beauty in and out that you have and that you carry. So yeah, without talking much, I'm just going to talk about 4 hairstyles which actually you can carry if you have oil on your hair. So the first thing, on my champu hair, I'm just using a comb and I just comb my hair so that it can just be like all chipkofying on my scalp, and I just left it open. If you see, my hair is open from behind and I have curly hair, so I can't help it, and on oil you should not be straightening your hair, so I just kept it like this. But if you have straight hair and you apply oil and you just comb it, it will look so good. So you can just keep your hair like this because it's oil and it's like a little heavy, so it's not going to be all messy, and you can just keep it like this, and you can put on your lipstick and a little bit of blush, and you can just make your oily hair look really classy and put together. So if you're going out and you want to just try this style, you can definitely do it. And if you want to have some pins here, you can also do the same. And yeah, so this was my first hairstyle. Just simply comb your hair and keep it back. So the next hairstyle is going to be my favorite for all times. Is you have to just make a little bit high pony, comb it so that it makes very, you know, chipku kind of look. Yeah, so just make it a little bit higher so that it's like top notch like hair. And if you have baby hair, then you can apply a little bit more oil, and then you have to use a scrunchie. If you have curly hair, that's also fine. If you have straight hair, that's also fine. Now the third hairstyle is super easy. You have a pony, so I'm just going to wrap this around and make a top-notch high bun. So I'm just going to get a clutch. I'm just going to wrap this around, put this together with a clutch, and see, it's simple. So you can actually use this look with all the attires. It is going to make you fashionable. It is going to make you look like very put together. So yeah, this is so far my favorite look. I'm always in this particular, you know, bun, high bun at home, at office. Whenever you see me, I'm always in this particular look. And sometimes people call me Buddha because of this look, and yeah, that's funny. Yeah, this is so far the best. So moving on to the other look that I'm going to have is, that's one look that I don't think it'll suit me, but still I'm going to try. I just did this partition to my hair with my oily hair, and I'm going to make a very low bun, like very low bun. Usually I never ever go for a low buns and stuff. I don't know how it is. For some people it really looks good and chic. I don't think it's suiting me too much, but I just wanted to give you an idea. With oily hair you can do this look. If it suits your face, that is nothing like it. And yeah, this is my, which look, 1, 2, 3, 4th look. So this was my 4th look. to do braids, but to be very honest with you guys, I am not very good at braids. Like you can have braids here and then have a you know, high pony or high bun, and you can have braids, simple braids that will really look good with oily hair especially. So far the 5 looks that I have created are not having any kind of product, any kind of a different set of, you know, hair clips or something like that. Don't need anything else, just a simple oil. So guys, this was all about my video today, and if you like this video, you know the drill. Like, share, subscribe, comment, and hit that notification bell icon so that you know whenever I upload a video. And yeah, that's all for now. Stay safe, stay at home, and enjoy the quarantine day. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.